I'm going to show you about 12 DIY hacks in my living room. Come along. Hi, Kathy Dowd here, the DIY crafter gal, and also saved and restored furniture refinishing. I want you to go on a little tour with me of our living room. We have at our front door a piece of furniture that I refinished. It is for sale, but until it sells, I've kind of adopted it and I may keep it. There's a little sign I made, home sign. This piece, actually Dave made that letter opener in shop class many years ago. My rocker had a hunter green cover on it, but it didn't really go with the colors of our living room, so I covered that and just pinned it together over the existing green pad, and as you can see, somebody really likes it. It's nice and soft. I already had the blanket. This hassock had a damaged area on the top, and I found a pillow at Walmart for I think $5 that fit right on it, and I sewed it on top. Yes, we do still listen to records and CDs. That little table I skimmed by, yeah, that one there. I refinished that, and you'll see something here later in the video that I did with it. Oh, Mr. Snowman fell over. And I do keep my snowmen out all winter long, even after Christmas. This couch cover, you'll see me do something different with it in this video. Our television sits on what really is a coffee table. A lot of things have multiple purposes. You just have to put your thinking cap on sometimes. Now we're going to start again. This little wall display shelf has some items of my dad's. I'm going to do something with that later in the video. And we're back to the rocker. Let's see if Luke is still comfy. Yes, he is. Now we're going to come back around and you'll see what I did with that little beige colored table. I found these two wall plaques at Dollar General, and I absolutely loved the design and the color. And I knew I wanted to do something with it, but I didn't know what. And for months I toyed around and it hit me. They're perfect for this table. And a little secret, I only did two sides and put it on a diagonal, and I think I really like it. And you see what I did with the couch there. I redid it with a blanket over it as a cover. Notice the candle holders. I found that red one at a thrift store. Now over here we're going to our couch. Hey, juggling balls. You never know when you're going to need those. And I covered the couch with a throw. Another snowman. Now we're back at this wall shelf again, and I wanted to zoom in and show you what I did to the background. I thought it needed something. That's just a peel and stick drawer liner from Dollar Tree. We're revisiting this area again because I wanted to show you this piece of glass. Well, actually, it's two pieces of glass. You see, the bottom was a crystal candle holder from a set of two, and I chipped one on the top, which is this one. So I glued it to this blue bowl that I've had for many years, and it's just a cheap piece of glass, but I always thought it was very unique. Thanks for watching. Now go decorate.